Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking into the back, where you have spacious seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have 2 cup holders that fold out like so, with a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle where they're running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your digital speedometer, your trip 1 and 2 information, your driver assistance features and settings, your fuel economy, eco coach, and your comm screen. Can also access all of your vehicle info if you go into the menus. But then moving over to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as your driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch views, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. And then moving down from that, you have your media controls as well as your climate controls. Very simple, easy to use. To the left of that, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, and your drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts. Then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then on the right, you have a 12-volt and USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there. You have this compartment above the glove box. And then moving down from your climate controls, you have another 12-volt USB and USB-C, as well as this shelf where you can put your device while it's charging. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then finally moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders, as well as your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And underneath that, you even have another lockable compartment for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.